Are you searching for law optional batch for civil services mains examination? So here at BN by IAS presenting for you a fresh regular batch of law optional for UPSC civil services mains. Law optional has the highest percentage of success rate, more than 17%. So why are students afraid of taking law as an optional? Is there no proper guidance? Do you have to attend classes with judiciary students? Don't worry. We at BN by IAS help you to solve your problem. We conduct classes focused solely on civil services pattern, not judiciary, under the guidance of Jasbir Bajaj sir, a former IAS officer and a law expert. Our fresh batch starting from 19th July 2021 till December 2021. Our programs are both online live classes and offline classes. We follow 360-degree and 360-plus approach, where 360-degree shows a holistic approach where we cover all what is important for the preparation. The whole circle is formed connecting the important dots like important basics of the syllabus, important case laws, important current affairs, previous year questions discussion, answer writing as per the demands of UPSC, best up-to-date class material on each topic, and 360 plus denotes that the method would help in achieving highest marks in the law optional subject. That's our target to make you achieve 360 marks and above. We are the only coaching for law optional pan-India, where the classes are on the basis of UPSC demands and we do not conduct judiciary classes together like all other law optional institutes. This is the only institute where the classes are taken by a former IAS officer, Jasbir Bajaj sir, a legal expert with over 40 years of rich experience. He had himself cleared his exam with law optional, 2 master degrees in law, 7 degrees from top universities across the country. He has been guiding students for civil services from last 8 years and have a 15 years of teaching experience. The class recordings will be available to the students for full 1 year so that they can go through the recorded classes and revise them again and again. Full-length test series is also provided to the students for accessing their performance. Regular answer writing during the course and feedback by Jasbir sir will be provided. We have got a special offer for the students in this pandemic to overcome your financial burden. Now you can even pay your fees in monthly installments suiting your budget via Gyandhan portal. So what are you waiting for? Visit our website www.bnbyias.com and register now.